What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Alchemy Pay, which is up 23.8% at 4.8 cents. Has a $242 million market cap with 9.9 billion coins in circulation out of a max supply of 9.9. So all the coins are in circulation, which is fantastic. It means they can't dilute the market on you by putting more coins in circulation. So that's great going into the bull run. All-time high was 2 years ago at 1987. We're currently only down 75% from that all-time high. That's back when they got partnered with Binance Pay and they got listed on Coinbase at the exact same time. All-time low was 2 years ago at 001. We're up 35x from that low. Currently available on a lot of exchanges, guys. Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, BitTrue, BingX, BitGet. So a lot of exchanges. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ACH. All right, everybody, let's get into ACH. So we had the heavy bottom here at the end of December 2023, end of 2022, beginning of 2023. If we draw our fib from the all-time high to the low, what we're currently focused on is overtaking that 0.5. And right now we're above it. Right now we are above it. We haven't confirmed it yet, but we are above that 0.5 area, which is fantastic. We broke above it one other time right here, but then we fell right below it. And we didn't have as good of a candle engulfing through this as we do right now. So it's looking pretty good that since we broke above 4.2, our next stop is going to be the 618 here around 6.4. Indicators still look pretty strong too. Very, very large engulfing candle today on the MACD with the RSI tailing up. Now we're not overbought yet, and ACH has only ever been like overbought 1 to 2 times. So keep that in mind. If you take these two into consideration, this is the third highest we've ever been, which is where we're at currently. Now, on top of that, the WTX did get double sell signals, but then started running higher to the upside. We have gone off the chart before, so we'll monitor that. In the meantime, I think ACH is most likely going to be seen around 6 cents before we see some sort of rejection. That would be extremely bullish because if you look in the long term, since the 2022, a high, a low, a higher high. That is a very, very bullish pattern, especially going into a bull run. So I'm going to guess around 6 cents is going to be the top before we see some sort of heavy resistance area. And we can kind of assess that here on this fib right here, top to the bottom. You can see that 6.6 cents is around the 1,236 area. So that's what we're going to be focused on here, guys, heading up to around 6 to 6.5 cents for ACH. It's looking solid. Indicators still are juiced up and ready to rock and roll. Even the long-term fibs calling it up to 6 cents. So we're not done running yet, guys. We're not done running yet. I'll do a reassessment once we get up to 6 cents, which looks like it's going to be happening pretty soon. So GG Alchemy Pay people, man. I remember when Alchemy Pay dropped down to here, everyone was just bearish, bearish, bearish. But there was a lot of Alchemy Pay community members who are extremely bullish, the ones that are true diamond handers. So I want to give you a big shout out because it's not hard. I mean, it's not easy being diamond handed. A lot of people think, oh, it's so easy to be diamond handed. It's not. And this one definitely tested you. So if you survived it, man, round of applause. Time to reap your reward here for ACH. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin within 24 hours.